Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another week of Wellbeing Wednesday. I just wanted to kind of go over what we did in our last week's PD day because it was awesome. I'm so thankful for you guys for taking the time to take that test and to be vulnerable with us as we talked about our strengths. I'm going to be delivering sometime this week a plaque that will have your 5 top strengths so that you can kind of remember to dig into those strengths. And I will also be bringing your team. I know some of you aren't on a team. Maybe you want to find a group of singletons in the school to kind of sit down and talk about your strengths, or maybe join another of our groups. But it'll be a paper where you can write down each of the team members' name in your department and what your top 5 strengths are. Because I really just want to start a conversation of how we can leverage each other's strengths, stop focusing on weaknesses, and build each other up and recognize in your departments who's good at what and how can we use that to our benefit. I also wanted to say, if you would like this book, come talk to me. I'll let you borrow it. We have a few copies rotating around the school. It kind of just gives you a little bit more information about each one of the individual strengths and how to take it one step further. I think you can also buy this on Amazon if you want your own copy, but it's pretty awesome. I also attached to this page some information similar to this you can find your top 5 strengths and read more about them. My hope is to keep this conversation going. Getting this test and doing the PD day was like our initial investment in continuing with the strength finders and just really focusing on those strengths and leveraging each other's and recognizing how to communicate with each other based on each other's strengths. And I think it's just a great conversation to continue. As far as conversations go, I also wanted to talk to you guys about what stuck with you when we were at the PD day. I'll bring this a little closer so that you can see. But you can kind of see people wrote things like, using my strengths will help me have my best outcomes, focusing on other people's strengths. If you remember, the challenge, which I also attached to this page, is to be positive for 24 hours. So try it. We're going to try and be positive for 24 hours. See how long you can keep it going. Another thing is just feeling more comfortable in your strengths, recognizing that you don't have to focus on your weaknesses. I love what you guys wrote. I put this in the faculty room and I'll go ahead and leave it there. But I just wanted you guys to kind of recognize how awesome you are and that all of us have strengths. And of course, we all have weaknesses. But I would personally rather focus on the things that I'm good at than the things that I'm not good at, of which there are many. So I encourage you guys to kind of lean into this and see what we can learn from each other. Thank you.